Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by using the lowest power objective to find your specimen quickly and safely. First, make sure the slide is clean and the cover slip is flat. This prevents scratches and distortion. Once the slide is clamped, center the area of interest under the objective and lower the stage until the objective is a safe working distance away. Then, while looking from the side, use the coarse focus knob to raise the stage until the specimen comes into approximate view. This gives you a broad, visible starting point. Once done with low power, stop and switch to the medium objective to begin refining detail. You now use the fine focus knob to gently bring structures into sharpness. Small turns matter because of shallow depth of field. At the same time, adjust the condenser and diaphragm to balance brightness and contrast. This reduces glare and improves edge definition. Make sure the area stays centered using the mechanical stage controls, because once you go higher in magnification, any off-center drift becomes harder to correct. Now complete the process by carefully rotating to high power and using only the fine focus knob to avoid crashing the objective into the slide. If using a 100x oil objective, apply a drop of immersion oil on the cover slip first, then lower the objective into the oil. This increases resolution by matching refractive indices. After you finish, wipe oil off immediately. If the image is still fuzzy, check the cover slip thickness, realign the condenser, and clean the objective lens. These fixes resolve most clarity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.